Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a history of Play Store. This simple process allows you to manage your app download records and helps keep your account organized. It also enhances your digital privacy by removing past activity. To begin, simply launch the Google Play Store application, typically found on your device's home screen or app drawer. Once the Play Store is open, locate your profile icon in the upper right corner of the display. This small circular image represents your account. Tap on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this list, carefully select Settings, which will take you to your personal Play Store preferences and controls. Within the Settings menu, you will see several categories. Look for and tap on General to expand that section, revealing more options. Next, locate and select Account and Device Preferences. This specific area contains various controls related to your usage data and settings for the device connected to your Google account. Inside Account and Device Preferences, scroll down until you find the option labeled Clear Device Search History. Tap this option, and a confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you are sure you want to proceed. Confirm your choice, and all your past search queries within the Play Store on this specific device will be erased.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.